Hi, this is Sis Traders. Welcome back, and today we're gonna do the market breakdown. USD JPY, gold USD. Yeah, let's get to it. So, yeah, as we head straight here to gold, I'm gonna just clear everything that I've done. I'm just gonna clear the drawings, clear everything out, and just go simply to the weekly time frame. When I reach the weekly time frame, I just simply scroll down here on my X and Y axis where there is money, and then I start to check whether if like I can get a structure. If I don't get a structure, I just simply just pull back and just see, okay, this is an uptrend. And if this is an uptrend, I will just try to see whether where the market has touched, and when it touched, it had returned or reacted significantly with so many points. So as far as I'm concerned, I see a level here that I can mark. Another level is this one that I can mark. Another level is this one that I can mark. I see this one here too. I see this one here is trying to play like a level that needs to be paid attention. Other levels I see is this one, and immediately I will just check if like I could see a structure somehow, some way. I can see something like that is trying to form some sort of like a rising wedge or some sort of something like that. And here, yeah, you can see the market is trying to sell again. Yes, yeah. Now in the weekly time frame, we can be able to see that the market is trying to do some huge sells. So let's break it down. Let's see on the daily time frame whether what we see something significant or what. As I work with my X and Y axis where it shows the price and the date. As far as I'm concerned, I see something like it's trying to form another rising wedge on an hourly time frame. But as far as I'm concerned, that this is a clear sell. I think this is a clear seller for me. As we skip to the 4-hour time frame, as far as we can see, here, we can see that okay, it's trying to form something. Yeah, here we work with precision. Precision is the only way that you can master the markets. Yeah, as far as you can see, and as I see the candlestick, I can see that I can spot liquidity here, liquidity in there. I see yesterday was trying to sell and stuff. I think it's just gonna clear this liquidity out, touch somewhere here, and maybe go down. But as far as I'm concerned, this for me is still a sell. Market breakdown. Now we reach the 1-hour time frame. Now we start to see, alright, this is maybe trying to form something like this. Here we have a first touch, second touch, first touch, second touch. Maybe it's trying to form something like this. And then you see, or something like this. It will just depend. But the only thing that will make us have like a quick idea, let's just try to do this. Let us use our rectangular thing just to mark our support and resistance of the graph. As far as I'm concerned, here's a level. Here's another level. And here too I can see something nice. And it's a little bit in the recession, so every time you just always gotta open your eyes. So when it comes to my conclusion, as far as I've shown, the bigger time frames were showing magnificent, very, very, very significant sales. But as far as I'm concerned, yeah, it's just only will try to break this one, it will go down. That's my conclusion for gold. Let me just do this. just do this. I will try to buy when the market touches right about that point there. See, when the market touches here, around here, my stop loss will be just around here, around 1 or just 2%. Nah, 1 will be good. And then let me zoom out for my target. Here I will just try to use this just to see again where the market has respected the level, you see. So yeah, here will be my thing. So immediately when the market touches this price right here, 2,345.807, that's where I will suggest to buy. And we'll move on to Bitcoin. Let me clear all my drawings. And as you know, again, we always try to always start at the weekly time frame. Yeah, and the trading view, if you want to pay for that subscription, I use MetaTrader. So like this is the one I use in my PC. As far as you can send me, I prefer MetaTrader. Okay, we'll start to mark the highs and lows of the graph where the market has touched, has respected that thing respectfully, and has returned with a very significant amount of points or any stuff like that. So here, as you can see, Bitcoin, when it moves, it moves. When it doesn't move, it doesn't move. So that's just Bitcoin for you. So as far as I'm concerned, here, as you can see, this Bitcoin is trying to form something like a rising wedge. So let's again start to mark our points so that we can have, as far as you can see the Bitcoin. The Bitcoin has, as far as you can see, the Bitcoin has started to respect this certain 73,000 level, which is for me something like sort of like a pennant that will start to. Here I can see Bitcoin buying until this level, and it will start to drop, because here is the first touch and second touch. There is a rule of first touch and second touch rule here. You see first touch, second touch. So there it's about to make the third touch here, and then probably go up. If like it was on a weekly, if I was to take a trade on a weekly time frame, I would just simply put my stop loss here. I would just simply take a trade when the market touches here and put my stop loss exactly at probably 5% of the money I have, and then start to take targets here. That will be on the weekly time frame though. As far as I'm concerned, as we start to drop down, we can see Bitcoin is trying to take significant little buys, and then it will start to sell. As far as you can see, starting to form some sort of like an order block and liquidity, which you can just wrap it up like this, whereby you can see, okay, 1 2 3 1 2. So basically it will just try to fall and then go up here, and then it will start to drop. But on the weekly time frame, I can see that it will try to buy here, touch this, and then try to make the third touch here. That's the daily time frame. On the 4-hour time frame, we can start to see another significant movement of the graph. The graph has been on the uptrend in the last about 2 months or so. So this since the 5th March 2024 till this day, is still on a recession. So right about now, this thing will just try to touch here just for last time and it will drop. On an hourly time frame, that's where we can start to spot our support and resistances. That will help us to find clear entries and buys. That will help us to find clear entries and buys, which is one of the simple things we can always try to do in the market. So here simply, I will just, since it's in a recession, I will just mark here. I'll just mark here, try to find some sort of like I'm trying to find some sort of like a supply or demand. Never try to hash things, you know. You see, that one was a clean one. And then when we come here, as far as you can see, we get another resistance and support. As far as you can see here, I think we have another one here. As far as you can see, and then here's like the last clean one that we can use. So what will happen, as much as I said, I will start to take buys, sells actually, right about, check. Let me just zoom out. Bitcoin is actually something that actually has to be traded, whether on smaller time frames or bigger time frames. These ones in between, that's where you start to get like too many like fluctuations of prices, you know. So what I'll do, I'll just place my trade somewhere when the graph touches here. When the graph starts to touch somewhere around here, I will begin to take my trades, and then my target will be right just about there. So I will just let it slide, but immediately when it reaches this 73,843 price, I know it's a sale. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm Markert. Thanks for watching my video. If you made it this far, I salute you.